Welcome to J&J's test video of S4HU181. This is a 254,000 mile 04 Hummer H2. Not 100% sure, besides I think they just hit the front a little bit more than they should have and they scrapped it. I'll show you when I close the hood. It's hit, you can see like in there, like the hood's cracked and all that jazz, but we'll show you when it's done. But it runs good, good oil pressure, fires right up. Tires are dry rotted, set of 4 wheels. The rock rails are kind of rusty, but we'll see. That fan clutch doesn't want to give up. It's moving all the air. Pressure, and it has everything's in Spanish or French. Today it's French. The other day it was Spanish, and I can't get it to go to English, so I had Spanish and French. Somewhere in here's the mileage. It's like 254. So here we go. Well, yeah, this says 95,812, but I think the paperwork said 254. Sometimes with Hummers, you never know. The seats are broke, the sunroof doesn't work, the CD player is bad. Yeah, just another Hummer. Has decent door panels. You see what I mean now? Woo! Woo! Right there, that's pinched and it's hitting the front and squished back here. And if you look there, you can see it. So let's take it for a drive, see what works and what doesn't. All the windows tested good. Oh, the power mirrors fold. Let's do that while we're right here. There you go. And they both work up, down, left, right. All right, that's that. Transmission test. Seems to be shifting. Woo! Some air springs being out, just bounce, bounce, bounce. Trouble for being in the gravel, but it downshifted. Brakes work. It seems okay. We can never 100% know because I can't drive it down the highway. I drive it at 25 miles an hour. No, it works somewhat. Back and forth and up and down some gears. Alright. That's gonna do it for S4HU181. Try to make sure I didn't forget anything. Oh, there's a hauler. We'll get out of his way. All right. As always, thank you for watching. Have your pets spayed and neutered. Thank you very much.